Hi, if you're new to Ubuntu operating system and don't know how to install an application or a package, I'll show you three methods in which you can install any application or a package. Method 1 is to download or install it from the Ubuntu software store. Most of the application or the packages you can find it here. Let's say if you want OneNote, you can get it here. You just click install and it will install it, or any other application, graphics and photography. These are the application data available which you can download. Even if you don't get here, the other method is to get it from something called as Snapcraft. What are these snaps? Snaps are packages which are packaged as a snap. An application or any package, it will be packaged as snap. They call it snap. If you don't get the application which you are looking for on Ubuntu software, you might get it here on Snapcraft. It has Discord or any other application which you are looking for. It might be here. Or the last method, if it is not either on the Snapcraft store or Ubuntu software store, the other third method is to get it from terminal, or what they call it as repository. To download it from repository, you open your terminal. Let me clear it. And what you type here is apt get install name of the package, no space. Let's say I wanted to install the GCC compiler. So what I'll write here is apt get install GCC. Okay, try a sudo. Since I already have GCC, I don't need to install it. What you are doing here is calling this command called apt get install and name of the package. Apt is the package manager, same as this thing, Ubuntu software store, or where is that thing, the Snapcraft thing. What you are saying here basically is Snapcraft, I need to install something. In the same way, apt get install the name of the package. I hope this video helped you.